All right, everybody, what's going on? Steve Mingleco here, Final Web Design. I want to go over the possibility of making six figures as a freelancer. Is it possible? Can you make 100,000 plus a year as a web freelancer? And the quick answer is yes, absolutely. And it really comes down to more or less two elements. One is, what project are you working on? What is the person that you're working with? Is it somebody who's really tight with money? Somebody who doesn't understand what the value of the project is? Somebody who doesn't understand what they're getting? And if it's something like that, or if it's multiple businesses like that, you're never going to get there. You need to find the right customer, the right person, the right project. Otherwise, yeah, it's not possible. But that shouldn't be hard to do. Again, if you're in the United States, making a project that for a full year and not having 100,000 plus for that work, it's not feasible, because the amount of time and dedication and what you should be providing if you're providing good work. And this kind of goes into my second point here, which is knowing your code, knowing your process of getting a project in and getting a project out. If you have a clear understanding of how to make that project worth that value to that customer or to that business, it's actually incredibly easy to do here in the States. Now, finding that person, you need to find that person needs to understand your value. And that's where I think is the hardest part. There's a lot of people out there who want to nickel and dime. They want to say, hey, I can get this overseas for this value. That's fine. They can go there. It's not a big deal. It's not going to be the end of you and you got to go get a 9 to 5 or something. But when you do find that person who is able to provide those types of costs and to understand what they're getting, it's a very standard rate here in the States. Now, getting the project in, you're going to have to make sure that when you're developing this project for them, when you're getting this type of pay rate, that the experience is good, the performance is good, the speed is good. You need top-notch work. And when you have top-notch work in your portfolio and in your list, 100K plus a year is a very reasonable price. So what I would say, is a six-figure income possible? Absolutely. What do you need to do? One, you need to find the right business. Two, you need to have a good understanding of your code and good knowledge of creating a good product that makes the value of that project worth a six-figure salary. So guys, with that being said, good luck out there. Leave a comment if you need. Also like and subscribe. That stuff helps, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.